Welcome students in our mathematics class of class 10th, that is the topic is introduction to trigonometry and exercise 8.4. Today we have to solve some questions on the basis of some trigonometric identities or some trigonometric formula. So first of all, what is trigonometric identity? That is the value is equal to 1. So there are three trigonometric identities. First, that is T identity. Identity means the value of, that is, if sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is our first identity. And now we have to use these identities and write to another formula. First, that is sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Now our second identity is that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we have to find another two formula, that is first sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta and tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Now the third identity is that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We have to again find two formula, that is cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Now we use some formulas which is used in to solve some trigonometric equation. Now we are write is that is sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta, that is 5. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, or it can also be written as in terms of sine upon sine and cos, that is sine theta upon cos theta. Again cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, and now this can also be written as cos theta upon sine theta. Now the sixth is sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. These are the formula we can use some questions. That is, the question is first, your exercise 8.4, that is first question is change sine A in terms of tan A. Change or convert sine A in terms of tan A. Now write here, first of all, what is the formula of sine? That is the sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. So now in solution we can use, since sine A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. Now we have to use in place of theta, that is A. And what is cosec theta? In terms of here, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Now use this, since this is equation 1. Now since cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, so cosec A is equal to square root 1 plus cot square A. This is second formula. And now what is the formula of cot A in terms of tan A? That is cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So we have to write, since cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. This is equation 3. Now using equation 3 in equation 2, using equation 3 in equation 2, we get here, right, cosec A is equal to square root में 1 plus cot square है तो 1 by tan, put the value of cot A is equal to 1 by tan है, so we have to write 1 upon tan square A, because this is cot square A, so we have to write 1 square, that is 1, and tan square A, that is tan square A. Now take LCM of both. This one is tan square A, and now multiply 1 into tan square A, that is tan square A plus 1. So this can also be written as in the form of cosec A is equal to, that is square root में 1 plus tan square A upon, that is tan. Now so we have to put cosec A in place of here in equation 1. So therefore this is equation, now we have to take equation 4. So we are using equation 4 in equation 1. So the formula is sin A is equal to 1 upon this one is root में 1 plus tan square A whole upon, that is tan A. Now tan A is going on in numerator, that is tan A into 1, that is tan A. So sin A is equal to, now multiply 1 into tan A, that is tan A upon root over 1 plus tan square A. So we have to change sin A in term of tan A. Suppose we have to change cot A in terms of tan A. So we have to write cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Thank you.